let's take a look at Nokia. So they actually just released their earnings report just a few minutes ago when I'm filming this. So by the time you're waking up, maybe if you're in America, then you probably will see what happens. But currently right now, I mean, it's at 4.7. And previously, I mean, if you were part of the hype Wall Street bets, you can probably see, but let me just go like to 1 month. Nokia hit $6.55, and I mean that's a big jump from where it was currently at, like at $4 right now. And right now you can actually check it out here on their website. They just show here they just announced its Q4 and full year 2020 earnings on February 4th, which would be essentially today when you're watching this. And you can go through here if you're interested in seeing all those details. And again, there's like another website, but for instance, like here's the PDF. You can see like 5% year-on-year decrease in the reported net sales in Q4, and they have these mobile access declines, etc. 1% growth in constant currency net sales in Q4. And maybe this is interesting, you can go in here, but I don't want to sit here and bore you with anything. But here's actually the initial start, and I'd say majority of the hype that came around Nokia was during the GameStop, AMC, pretty much the meme or Reddit stocks. And this was 14 days ago, but I wanted to share this post because this person did some research. And again, note this is not financial advice. Make sure you go and do your research or contact a professional before you make any decisions. But I just wanted to share what this person posted. And again, you'd have to double check and fact check this person's post as well to make sure he's accurate. But just based off of here, this gives you some sort of summary on some things Nokia is doing. So in case you're trying to be like, yo, what's the point of getting into it? There's not really any reason in terms of like comparing this to GameStop or AMC, with the hedge fund and shorting it. But for Nokia, it seems that people were just mentioning it and just causing hype, but wasn't really no explanation, I'd say, besides like, people just talking about it. But here, this actually gives you some more details. Like for instance, right here, you can see 5G is only starting to kick off in the US. And since, we got rid of Huawei, which is a humongous phone company in Asia, you can see that Nokia might be potentially one of the front runners. So one of the guys that could take over that area. And then also, it's currently, at this time, it's like, four-ish plus, give or take. And in terms of if it's going to moon or, go crazy, at the current valuation, I mean, it's like, don't expect it to go to like 2-3x or something like that super quickly, right? Again, I can't predict the future, but in the next few days I don't see that happening realistically. But in the term of long-term play, like I'm talking long-term hold, I mean Nokia would definitely be something to research into and consider. It all depends on how they do and some things they partner up with. But you can see here currently the market cap 21.23 euros, and then also volume was 130 mil, and then you can see the additional details there. But aside, this is just quick update. Just want to share with you the reports, and you want to check those out too, because I know a lot of people were talking about that. So technically in a couple hours, once the market here in the US opens up, we'll see if that does anything to Nokia. But for now, just want to share that they share their financials, so you can check that out. But let me know in the comments below any cool details about Nokia in terms of like what they're doing. But aside from that, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more updates on what's going on, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.